Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're visiting the 2nd Avenue Pier, which is off 2nd Avenue South in Myrtle Beach. Actually been here several times. This is just a typical video you'll see on the channel, and was passing through actually just after the Hurricane Ian come through. We're day 2 after that, so we're gonna walk to the end of the pier and back and see if we can get close enough to see where it kind of ripped the section at the end of it off. So you can already see the sign that was above the shark there was damaged. So that was definitely something that happened during the storm. Today's date is October the 2nd, 2022. It's currently about 70 degrees with just a light breeze. Some caution tape here for not exactly sure what reason yet. Not really seeing anything damaged anyway. Maybe something's loose here and here around this picnic table. There's probably half a dozen or more fishing towards the end. So if you're familiar with this pier, you would know that there was a platform here that went off to the right. It's just above these pylons right here, which this storm, Hurricane Ian, had just tore that off, dismantled that. But even before that, there was damage on the end of the pier. The whole platform that was there that's missing now was already damaged and unlevel, and they had it roped off. You couldn't walk on it. If you're not familiar with that, you can go to, look at one of my previous videos in the same location. You can see that. I think I've got a couple within the last year that you can check out and see that. But pretty much, even with the storm, everything that was open on the pier before the storm is open now. So really not, in terms of what was open prior to the hurricane, nothing's really changed. things could have been much worse. Fortunately, they're not. So that's going to do it for this one. If you enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing if you haven't. I post videos here at least once or twice every weekend, and occasionally during the week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.